Shubor nakaslem jong nongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Conrad sangma ne kesngi haba kali halor ke jing Pyndonkam daki pipe plastik haba pentrai ya ke skim Jal Jeevan Mission nakaliang ke jongu ulaong ba umpat yok jing tip AA bala Pyndonkam daki pipe plastik hanrai ulaya tu upat ba kilayakren haba yedai bat kani Shushu ulaya tu ro ba kidon ki jinge haba yedai ba ke jing penbiang ye ki pipe Kajing bombyang kawan rai kajing suki bat pentrai kam ya kaskim Jal Jeevan Mission. Menteri Rangba ula kuburu ba Kiwei ki Jylla kidon ki ba Pyndonkam da ki pipe plastik tang ba kim dai ki pipe ki bastang ki dai ki pipe ki Rben.
I have not seen the notification from my side, but it must be the I forgot the exact word they use. Either the hard plastic, I forgot the exact technical term, but yes, there was a discussion on this matter. There have been 2-3 issues. Number one is that the availability of pipes has led to a kind of slowdown in the implementation of the Jal Jeevan, and in many other states they have adopted the plastic pipe. But when we say plastic, we're not talking about the rubber or this very thin plastic pipe. We're talking about the very thick and the plastic pipes that are used towards the end consumer. And in many cases, the suggestions have come in that the overall longevity and the anti-rust aspect is something that these plastics are preferred in a lot of locations. So there was discussion in this. I'm not aware about the detailed implementation program, whether it has been approved or not approved, but yes, it was discussed, and the pros and cons were given. And as I mentioned to you, a lot of other states are taking it up, and it has helped in the overall implementation and the longevity of this pipe also. And as I said, the anti-rust aspect of this pipe is something that a lot of our officials and engineers have suggested. And it's not something that we are going inferior quality of pipes. These are the very good quality. But as I said, the implementation will be faster because of the availability of these pipes are there. The demand for the GI pipes is so huge that they're not able to get this in the market, and it's hindering the overall implementation. And as I said, a lot of engineers and officials have recommended that we should go for this, as the quality is, if not better, as good as any other GI pipe that we have.